sweet popcorn,
This is not sweet, not come tomorrow, I beg. Because I normally buy my popcorn at Lekki.
Okay,
Okay guys, so we have Imole here. Yeah, Imole Square. Check him out, guys. He's right in my compound. Can you believe it? Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is another day, beautiful day. As you can see, my machine is over there. I don't have much corn. Actually, I was supposed to get some corn yesterday, but being it's Sunday, I didn't. I always buy bag or half bag. Buy rubber paint. There is no profit. But yesterday I couldn't buy because of Sunday. So, but I have like a little corn here, which is not much. I'm not supposed to go to the bus stop, but I have a guest who want to like use my machine for content, so I have to go and show him how I do it. Meanwhile, a quick tour of my house. This is my home. I hope I don't forget to wear these slippers. I have to wear this one. To wear this one. So this is my home. Actually, it's a mini flat, right? This is how it looks like. My generator is there. They have not painted this place. You know, my caretaker told me they're coming to paint it. I'm still waiting for them to come paint it. So here is the kitchen. I fried some granules yesterday. I fried them yesterday. So, and this is the bedroom. Only me. The washroom is here. So let's hit the road and do what I do every day. It's so sunny today. How will I survive this kind of sun today? But let's do it. So I'll close the door. I always make sure it's locked by turning this. Turning and pushing. Yeah, it's locked. Guys, the sun is just like, can you see the shadow of the sun? It's too much. How will I survive the sun? Too much sun. Guys, let's go all outside and make some sales. I don't like doing my intro by the roadside because of horns. You know, the horn won't let me speak. So I like to do the intro at home before going out. So today is a special day. Like I said, one of my subscribers, he wants to take over my business. He wants to experience selling corn by the roadside. So today I'm going to show him how to sell corn by the roadside, and also to take you on the journey together. And also maybe you are planning to sell corn, popcorn, I don't know. But watch to the end so you will learn and see it through his lens how I sell my corn. You know, raw, undiluted, uncut. You know what I mean? So let's hit the road, guys. I was crying for sun, but then the sky is clear, crystal clear. As you can see, I think it's going to be like a rain. There'll be rain today because of the sky. I don't know if you guys can see the dark cloud. Those are signs of rain, right? So I was crying for sun, but then the rain, maybe the rain will fall, I don't know, but it's not sunning anymore because of the clouds. So let's push the machine. It's over there. Let's push it to the bus stop, because actually I need to buy like sugar and some nylons. So let's push the wheelbarrow to the bus stop so I can get the corn. So I can get the whatsoever. Guys, our place is developing so fast. You see, all the shops are taken. This one is taken already. You guys can see, right? It's taken. This one down here is taken. This is taken already. And these two shops are taken already. This taken, this taken, this taken. We have only the up left. So if you're looking for a shop, this is your time to come and get one before it's finished completely. So let's hit the road, guys, and sell some popcorn. Come along. Friends.
Your friend?
Say my friends.
For the bird.
Yes, they come to eat some corn. So guys, I'm here with...
Yes, that's Imole Square on YouTube.
Yeah, guys.
Also a travel content creator. And I'm here with travel.
Yeah, guys, check him out. Okay, so he's here to talk about my popcorn business. Let's get right into the business. So I will show you how I do it.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't have much corn actually.
That's what you have?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is sugar, the sachet, and my gas is there.
Ah, no.
Yes. So let's do it. You look good, man. Sorry.
Got it. Okay, so it doesn't fall off.
I was scared of sun.
Okay.
But the rain will go.
Looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah, oh, the cloud is just there. Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Nigeria.
Corn business, popcorn.
Okay, guys, so we have Imole here. Yeah, Imole Square. Check him out, guys. He's right in my compound. Can you believe it? He's right into my compound to sell popcorn. You want to sell popcorn, right?
So popcorn, I have to learn how to do this hustle, you know. I have to learn skill, how to survive.
Yeah,
world,
of course, I have to survive on the street. So he's learning how to sell. I want to teach him how I sell popcorn every day. You know, this is my daily life. I do this like every day, in short, every day, if I'm not mistaken.
It's very fast. So there has to be 3 measurements. One. So that's 1. That's 2. The third one. That's 3. And that's going to go for 200 naira. And the time is going to be the problem because do that, do that. Ooh, dope. Dope. Man. I'll get it though, don't worry, I'll get it. Yes, this one. Then the next one's going to be.
Sometimes I can tell when it's very small by trying to tie the liner.
Okay.
Very easy. Alright. So we're gonna tie the rest of it and then we hit the road.
Buy popcorn. I can sell that for you. You get change, I don't get change too.
Are you sure? Because I normally buy my popcorn at Lekki. Oh, this one is nice.
This one is nice. This one is better than Lekki. If you shop this one, your life will change.
One day.
Your life will change. Buy sweet popcorn.
This is not sweet. Not come tomorrow, I beg. I should not be like this now.
Because of the floor not too straight, so I use the wear shoe. Make I know. My money, I beg you. Make my guy not beat me because my guy they want sweet popcorn. What's 200 down. This is 100 naira for year. Very sweet, fresh. Just do an another. Oh yeah, 2. You mean okay. So you want 200 naira one? Yes. They don't buy my market finish. Now don't do this, so don't do. I've made 200, another 200, that's 400, and that's 500. So we are in a loss of 100 naira, is it? Yes, because I sold some 200 naira for 100 naira. So I sold 200 naira ones for 100 naira. But so far so good. I'll make that up to my boss. I'll have to pay her for that. But me, I'm gonna have this one, so I'm gonna have to pay her 300 naira. No, 400 naira. So let's eat. You're not going to eat though. It's only me. Let me try my popcorn I made myself.
How does it taste?
Very sweet.
Some people tell me no milk. So without milk, how far?
This is sweet. I think you want to do that milky taste, then you have to put some salt, just a little bit of salt. But this is very nice. I love it. I enjoyed it.
Okay, so that's the end of the vlog, guys. We have finished selling all the popcorn, and he's eating himself. He's eating some popcorn here.
And
you know, so yeah, I made so much money.
900 naira.
Yeah.
100.
It was supposed to be 1,400, right?
Yeah.
But because he sold some for 100 naira, he sold the one for 200 for 100. That's why we have shortage. So thank you so much for coming, and
yeah, I mean, thank you for showing me this. I've learned how to make popcorn today. Again, that's a life skill for someone that's hustling. So if I go anywhere now and I need to make some urgent 2K, and I can find myself a machine, I can make a popcorn now. So, I mean, some popcorn now and go to the streets and sell them. So thanks for showing me this.
yeah, this is an evidence that you can survive anywhere. So far you have your hands, your legs, and you can talk. You can survive anywhere. You don't have to beg. You know, some people beg for money. I'm like, why are you begging? I can think of something and just be creative, you know? So.
And then try the truffle. Eat some of your popcorn.
Okay, so let me have a taste also. And it's kind of crunchy, right?
Crunchy, sweet.
Yeah.
Nice, love it.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check him out, Imola Square on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description. Go check him out. I will see you in my next video. Bye.